Hello, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to set up a server environment in your local machine. In this case we're going to use MAP application to create our local server. To download, you only need to enter to map.info and download the free version. After the application is downloaded and installed, it will look like this. So from here, we're going to start our servers. And it automatically will open our manage control. From here, we're going to create and import our new database. Only click on Tools, PHP-MyAdmin. On PHP-MyAdmin, we click here on Databases, and we create here our new database. Hit create, and now we can see in our database list we have created a new database. Click here, and then we are going to import our SQL file that is in the downloadable package. Import, select, we're going to here to desktop, files, SQL, and we're going to open one by one. Cities first, click on go. It automatically creates our table cities in our database. We need to import all of the files the same way. Click on our database, then you click to import, then select the files, and then go to countries. Now we have cities and countries. Let's import the last table. Click on WebAssist, import, select the files, states. Now we have our WebAssist database with 3 tables: cities, countries, and states.